Hi everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder. Today we're diving into a corporate filing that's a bit like a messy breakup, but with stock options and transition periods. Get ready for some executive suite shuffle. We're looking at an 8K cake filing from CCC Intelligent Solutions Holdings. This document is all about the departure, or rather the delayed departure and eventual separation of their Executive Vice President, Chief Service Delivery Officer, Mary Jo Prigge. Back in October of last year, they said she was planning to retire by the end of December, but things changed. In December, the company put out another statement saying that she will be leaving her position a little bit later, around May of 2025. Now we're getting the full story, including the details of her transition out of the company. The key is this Prigge separation agreement. Think of it as the corporate prenup for when an executive leaves. It lays out all the terms of her departure. So what's the deal? Starting at the end of March, Prigge is moving to a part-time role. She will be working only 3/4 of the time up until around June, so she will be getting slightly less money and will be doing transitional duties that the company's CEO will ask her to do. Her salary will be at a yearly rate of about $422,359 March Brigany 2. Now what about the goodies she gets on the way out? First, she's getting her annual cash bonus for this year, 2025. They'll pay it to her at the same time they pay other employees, but it's got to be before March of next year. Next, the company is going to keep paying for her health insurance under SOPRA. That is the program that lets you continue your health insurance after leaving a job until the end of the year, but the company is paying for the whole amount. Here's where things get interesting and where the company is being nice. Prigge has some unvested stock options, which are like shares you're going to get at some point but haven't received yet. Effectively, the company is speeding up the date or accelerating it so she gets them sooner. All of her restricted stock units, the RSUs, will vest. Now there's another kind of stock unit, performance-based ones, the PSUs. These depend on how well the company does. They're not accelerating those. They'll stay outstanding and might vest later depending on how things go. Of course, there are conditions. Prigge has to sign a release of claims. That basically means she agrees not to sue the company. She also has to keep following some agreements that restrict her actions after leaving. So what does all this mean? Well, first it tells us that even though it appeared she was going to retire and then delay it for a bit, it seems things are finalized here. The company is paying her quite generously. Then let's step back and look at the big picture. CCC Intelligent Solutions Holdings is in the business of providing software to the insurance and auto industries. Their main product is a cloud platform that helps connect insurers, repair shops, and other players in the ecosystem. Their business depends on the health of the insurance and auto industries. More accidents and claims lead to more business for CCC. So anything that could affect those industries is something to watch. As for the departure of Miss Prigge, that's something that could affect the company in the short term. Anytime you have a change in leadership, there's a risk of disruption. On the other hand, the company might want to replace her with someone more aggressive, and that might be a good thing. So what do we make of all this? CCC Intelligent Solutions is a solid company in an industry that's likely to keep growing. While this executive transition does add some uncertainty, the company seems to have a good plan in place to keep things running smoothly. Thanks for watching. If you found this breakdown helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more corporate deep dives.